Everybody, I suppose you're wondering who's the little companion I have behind me. Percy, come here. Come on. Percy. Oh, come on, Percy. Come here. Percy, come here. Yeah, good boy. This is my... Percy, come here. Come here. Come here. This is my cousin's Eskimo dog. Come here. That I am watching for the weekend. Come here, Percy. His name's Percy. Percy! Percy, come here! Percy! Percy! Percy, come here. Say hi, boy. Say hi, boy. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's a really big dog. Percy! Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera, Percy. What you doing? What you looking at? Percy, come here. Percy! Percy! Well, anyway, he's a really good dog, and he is so hard to groom. So, anyway, just thought I'd introduce him, you know, seeing how huge he is. I call him an Eskimo dog, because I don't know what kind of breed of a dog that he is. What's the matter, boy? What's the matter? Hey, come here, boy. Come here. Percy. 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 Come here. Oh. See how incredibly calm he is? Percy! And no, he is not a husky. For those of you who think that he's a husky, he's not. Percy, you want to say bye to the camera? Percy, speak. Speak. Percy, speak. Or not. Look, say bye to the camera, Percy. Say bye to the camera. Say bye.